Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create and name a group text on Android. If you're using any Android phone you want to create or name a group text, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your messages app and here you must have to tap this icon which is create new chat. Just tap on this. From here just tap on create group, tap on it, and here you must have to select contacts for your group. As let's see, I'm going to select some contacts from here. Just select that, then tap on the next icon, and here you must have to enter a name for your group. As I'm going to enter, for example, friends. Here just tap or enter that, then tap on done. So your group has been created. You can add more members. Just tap on this icon and here just enter the name or the number of the person which you want to add her. So that's how you can easily create and name a group text on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.